Guys, just download the new Musically update, and let's take a chance to take a quick look here. So if we go to the old home button, you have your typical feed. Just swipe up just as it once was. You go to the search bar. Here's where things look a little aesthetically different here. Okay, so everything just looks different. Basically the same though. It's more horizontal. You can scroll through without having to click. Okay, basically the same deal. Now you have live stream, just more of a different aesthetic, if you will. You have, so now it shows you the number of likes, views, shows you the number of views without having to click it, which is pretty neat. As you scroll down here, let's see. Okay, it shows you whose videos you've liked. Okay, that's cool. And then, oh, what the heck? Okay, so I just clicked the record button, and here's what just happened. So I'd like to access photos, sure. I click record to actually allow it to access my camera, allow it to access my mic. Oh, interesting. Okay, so then we have filters we can apply. Sorry about that. Sorry. Okay, so we have filters we can apply here. It appears as if everything's the same. Okay, so 2x. Oh, okay. That can focus the camera. That's neat. Oh, what the heck? Okay. So looks like we have some more advanced camera features here. Continue in a different scene. Okay. It failed. Let's get out of here. Confirm. Cancel. Keep scrolling through the hashtags. It appears as if the live.ly is the same. It appears as it did in the past. Everything here seems to really have maintained the integrity of the original app. Just some slight aesthetic changes. And I think everyone will come to like it, to be honest. Search people, Tyler. Oh, so these are like trending users. Okay. Oh, interesting. So it had, oh, one thing they removed was the leaderboard. That was kind of important, actually. And it's no longer here. So I guess it's up to the discretion of the administrators, I suppose, to figure out who to follow, which is going to be a lot more difficult for beginners to gain some exposure early on. That's about it, guys. Hope this kind of helped. I think everyone's just as kind of confused as you are, but hopefully you guys all make sense of it. It's relatively easy to use. Same thing. The only thing that's a little more complicated is the recording function and whatnot. If you click trending, it has all of the music's weekly picks, all of the trending music, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to smash that subscription button and like the video below. Thanks again.